Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can backup the registry of Windows 11. So registry is very important part in your Windows and plays the vital role in your Windows to operate properly. And somehow if you have deleted some key or something mess up with your Windows, so backup is the handy tool to restore your Windows. So how to restore the registry backup on your Windows? We just need to type here the registry and run it as admin. Okay, once you run it as admin, close all the windows from here. Okay, and we need to click on this computer, and once you click on computer you need to click on file. Make sure you click on the computer and then click on export, and from here choose the location whichever you like. So I recommend you to choose the location on your PC as well as on the cloud, like the Google Cloud Store. So let me give it the name registry backup, and from the save file make sure the registry is selected here and click on save. So once you click on save, your system may hang or may take some time to backup the registry in the desktop in my case. And once the registry is successfully exported, let me show you the importance of that. Let's see, accidentally you have deleted some registry from here, so it can create lot of issues. It can even not let your Windows to boot. So with the help of registry we can restore our system. Let's wait here for some time until it's preparing the export. Now registry backup is done. Now you can see here this is the registry backup, and let's say if I delete any key of it, also let me try to delete the software here. So you can see system is not behaving properly now. Let me delete this also as well. So you can see we have deleted it successfully now. So in order to back up the registry, we need to click on computer, then click on file, then click on import, and choose the location of this is a registry backup. So click on open, and once you open that, again it will take some time to back up the registry. And let me show the results. Once it is done, it will restore all the registry. Now you can see if I go to the H key, local current, software is there, system is there. So eventually we have deleted it before, but you can see here we have successfully restored it, and click on OK. So this is how guys you can restore your system registry. If any kind of issues, you have to restart the system. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.